We've been around 28 years. We know a lot of our customers, we know a lot of their families, we've kind of grown up with them, and we live here in the neighborhoods too, so we're part of the community. A lot of what we do and the success that we've been blessed with over the years is really geared more to us knowing our people and being blessed with good people on both sides of the counter. We have 3 Pride Auto Care locations. One is on South Broadway in Littleton, Highlands Ranch area. The other one's in the Tech Center at Yosemite and Dry Creek. The 3rd location is our newer location, and that is here in Parker. Then we have a Mr. Transmission location in Parker as well, and then a fleet operation in Southwest Littleton. We really have always maintained that we want to be full automotive service in the true sense of the word, an actual true dealer alternative.
We have ASE Master Technicians. They go through a lot of training.
Our service staff, our service advisors, our service managers, a lot of these guys have been with us 10, 15 plus years.
They obviously know what they're doing, and they're able to communicate that.
If we can find a way to educate our customers and continue to keep their aptitude for their vehicles up to speed, then we've done our job. We are very proud of our image. And one of the things that we've built our stores around, as you can see here, is to have room for customers to relax.
The waiting rooms at all the locations are very comfortable. You know, complimentary bottled water, coffee. We got TVs, we've got play areas for the kids.
Now we do Uber, we do rides, we do enterprise rent-a-car if people need long-term solutions there. The key to the people side of our business, and I think the closeness of our family too, has been the gel factor of our wives and the brothers and just how we all get along. I mean, we're kind of clowns. I mean, we get along fine. We play together, we golf.
It's been the 4 brothers from the very beginning. We did lose our second oldest brother, Daryl, a couple years ago to cancer.
But we wanted to carry on what he's always been, and he was the quintessential manager, automotive guru.
And it's all about taking care of people. I mean, we're kind of in the people business.
And we appreciate our customers as much as they appreciate us.
Something that Pride Auto Care has always done is they've always been super involved with the community.
Doing a lot of volunteering and charitable stuff in the communities.
Giving back to the community is part of our DNA. It always has been.
And over the long haul, you just tend to go to not Pride Auto Care, but you go to see Vince, you go to see our manager, you go to see Al.
We will continue to do what it takes to keep them happy and keep them on the road and safe with some peace of mind and be able to take care of their family.
It's been a great history, and hopefully we're going to make more history for many years to come.